Good afternoon, this is Adam Tuiana with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Thursday, May 22nd, 2014. Going to give a quick rundown on the coffee market, wrapped up just a little while ago, and we're going to focus on that market strictly today. Coffee last traded at 181.10. That's in the July futures contract. Put coffee down about 30 ticks on the day, pretty much even though this has been a very volatile market. Coffee's prices are currently seeing the lowest levels that they've seen since April 4th. So a little while we've been heading to the downside. Is this an aggressive correction? Probably. It really depends. We've seen a screaming rally taking place basically since the beginning of this year, since January. So at the same time, once we got up to the $2.19 per pound level, that 219 level is where a lot of the coffee producers stepped in, started to get their hedges on, and then once that took place, it was kind of like a domino effect, and we started to see a lot of follow-through long liquidation take place from a lot of the technical traders that were trading into the upside. So that has put some pretty good pressure on it. Also at the same time, we've seen the dollar, the US dollar, be pretty strong over the past month, and that's putting some inverse pressure on all well, I should say most of the commodities, including coffee. So keep in mind that the major thing right now is Brazil, who is the top producer of coffee. Brazil begins their harvest at the end of this month, early June-ish, and will carry through mid-July. So those numbers are very critical to seeing where the coffee prices are going to head. What I would expect to see, and many other traders out there, will be that two things. Number one, we're going to see a tighter supply coming out of those harvest numbers. In addition to that, we're going to see some poor quality due to some very hot and dry weather that we had in Brazil. So I think ultimately that the hot and dry weather will push those coffee prices higher over time. But in the meantime, upside resistance 197.75. Downside support is going to come in at 167.95. If you do have any questions on futures, options on futures, I'll be more than happy to help you. You can call me, shoot me an email, whatever makes you happy. Have a great day. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.